remember, if I can cook it, so can you. So go nowhere. Let's create. So what I have here is a beautiful T-bone, and this is Bison, which means it's very lean. Look at the beauty behind here. And I'm just going to keep it simple. In fact, let me put it here for a second because I'm going to put some salt and pepper, which is all you need. So let me wash my hands real quick. So I'm going to put some pepper, and I'm going to coarse black pepper. And I'm going to put some salt. And the type of salt, you can use any salt, but I choose the birch smoked salt from this Icelandic company in Iceland. This is one of the best. I want to give it the birch smell and taste. You rub it in. And you literally do the same on the other side. I do have some thyme. I'm going to put a little bit of that too. Once again, you do exactly the same on the other side. Flip it and do the same. So I preheat the pan, and I'm going to put some oil, any type of oil you want. You want this first at high heat because you want it hot. You want the temperature high. Once you preheat it, you're going to lower the heat to a notch above medium because this T-bone is going to cook fast. It's lean meat because it's bison. So you're not going to go away. You're going to watch this baby. And you're going to cook one side first. For about a minute, minute and a half. Because it's not thin. This one is a little bit thick. It's about, say, half an inch. 90 seconds later, you're going to flip it. Ooh, it looks beautiful, right? You're going to put some butter on the side. Get a tube of garlic, mince it on top, add that natural flavor. And you can add some of those juices on top. Make sure that before you cook this T-bone, this bison T-bone, you have it out in the refrigerator for about 20-30 minutes. So it gets to room temperature. Isn't that beautiful? And after a minute and a half, turn the heat off. You get it out and you let it rest for at least 5 minutes.